BenQ 24-inch 1080p monitor 75Hz for gaming. Proprietary Tech adaptive brightness for image quality. GL2480 black. 1 millisecond response time for lightning-fast gaming performance and ZeroFlicker technology for minimized eye strain and improved eye comfort during long hours of work or gaming. Low blue light technology filters out harmful blue light, effectively diminishing eye fatigue and irritation. Display area, millimeters, 531.3 x 298.8. ZeroFlicker technology virtually eliminates flicker at all brightness levels for minimized eye strain and improved eye comfort during long hours of use. Power consumption, on mode, 25 watts. Power consumption, based on Energy Star, 17.48 watts. Full HD 1080p 16:9. Dimensions with wall mount, HxWxD millimeters without base, 565 x 333 x 54.0s compatibility. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. 16mm slim bezel display, high gloss frame and base, and carbon fiber patterned back, ideal for work or home use, 3-year warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.